River.
The river is clean.
Bridge.
The bridge is very long.
Road.
The road is busy.
Mountain.
The mountain is very tall.
Lake.
The lake is calm.
Beach.
The beach is sandy.
Ocean.
The ocean is deep.
Cloud.
The clouds are grey.
Rain.
Rain is falling.
Wind.
The wind is strong.
Grass.
The grass is green.
Snow.
The snow is white and soft. Medicine. The medicine is on the table.
Pillow.
The pillow is fluffy.
Towel.
The towel is wet.
Curtain.
The curtain is green.
Stamp.
My stamp is new.
Wallet.
My wallet is in my bag.
Light.
The light is bright.
Blanket.
The blanket keeps me warm. Gift. The gift is wrapped nicely. Money. I save my money. Bird. The bird is flying. Flower. The flower is pretty.
House.
My house is big.
Door.
The door is locked.
Sofa.
The sofa is comfortable.
Window.
The window is open.
Wall.
The wall is black.
Roof.
The roof is strong.
Floor.
The floor is clean.
Plane.
The plane flies high.
Cup.
The cup is empty.
Plate.
The plate is round.
Spoon.
I eat with a spoon.
Fork.
The fork is on the table.
Knife.
The knife is sharp.
Bottle.
The bottle is full. Bag. The bag is heavy. Box. The box is empty.
Clock.
The clock shows time.
Pen.
I write with a pen.
Pencil.
The pencil is sharp.
Eraser.
The eraser is small.
Book.
I read a book.
Notebook.
The notebook is new.
Milk.
Milk is healthy.
Juice.
I drink orange juice.
Tea.
I like tea.
Coffee.
Coffee is hot.
Sugar.
Sugar is sweet.
Salt.
Salt is white.
Rice.
I eat rice with vegetables.
Bread.
Bread is soft.
Butter.
Butter is yellow.
Cheese.
Cheese is tasty.
Egg.
Eggs are oval in shape. Fruits. I eat fresh fruits.
Vegetables.
I eat green vegetables.
Mirror.
The mirror is clean.
Glass.
The glass is full.
Shirt.
The shirt is blue.
Pants.
The pants are black.
Shoes.
My shoes are new.
Socks.
My socks are blue.
Cap.
The cap is red.
Soap.
I use soap daily.
Toothbrush.
The toothbrush is soft.
Comb.
I comb my hair. Lamp. The lamp is bright. Fan. The fan is slow.
Ruler.
I measure with a ruler.
Key.
The key is in the lock.
Ball.
The ball is under the table. Toy. The toy is on the floor.
Picture.
The picture is on the wall. Camera. I took a photo with my camera. Newspaper. I read the newspaper daily.
Library.
The library has many books.
Paper.
I write on paper.
Envelope.
The envelope is sealed. Letter. I wrote a letter to my friend.
Postman.
The postman delivers letters. Police. The police keep us safe.
Hospital.
The hospital is nearby. Shop. The shop is open. Market. The market is crowded.
Office.
My father works in an office. Homework. I finish my homework on time.
Classroom.
The classroom is clean.
Student.
The student is studying.
Teacher.
The teacher is kind.
School.
I go to school every day.
Boat.
The boat is on the lake.
Park.
I play in the park. Bike. I ride my bike to school.
Computer.
The computer is on the desk. Keyboard. I type on the keyboard.
Dress.
She wears a pretty dress. Watch. I wear my watch daily.
Sky.
The sky is blue. Fireman. The fireman puts out fires.
Sun.
The sun is hot.
Moon.
The moon is bright.
Star.
The stars shine at night.